Westermans here again with a new Orbitalum, or used Orbitalum, which has just arrived. It's got the open head. You can put the closed heads on it, but we need to actually put the cooling system on it. Machine's very easy to program. Voltage on this one's 110, I believe they're possibly dual voltage. 2024. Very light machine, like I say, easy to program. Matter of obviously moving up and down the settings. Auto program, put in the what diameter, thickness. Helps if we have a bit of gas on. Like I say, nice, easy machine to operate. Open head on a bit of 50mm stainless. Just doing a function test, make sure it functions as it should do. More details available on westermans.com on this and other welding equipment from AMI, Polysood, Axair, Magnetech, plus many more. Not sure whether just an aftermarket cooler would work with a head, or whether it's got to be the original Orbitalum cooler. Thank you for looking.